Hey peeps, welcome back to my channel and to my latest video. I decided to do a more of a whimsical piece this week. So I did two oval canvases, one black base, one white base, and going back to the Dutch pour, but coming in from one side on each of the canvases. You can hear the tippy-tappy toes of Red, my dachshund, just walking in the background. I swear this dog just knows when I'm about to do the audio for a video and will just go around making as much noise as he can while he settles down. He was sleeping by my side not 2 minutes ago. Oh well, it's just he wants to make the ambient noise so the video will be better, obviously. So I've put down both my colours there, and I'm just about to blow out the well, not the design, just blow out the base of both of them, just using the blow dryer on low, maybe using it on the go faster button, just to get the paint to move around a little bit more, just making sure that I've got a decent covering of paint for the, well, for the Dutch pour to work. So they're just getting it straight to the edge, and yeah, with the black base at least. I've already poured the white base on the other canvas and we'll be going over to spread that out. Spreading the base really doesn't take that long. This video isn't sped up at all. It was actually a fairly quick piece of artwork to do, and was one of a couple of paintings using the same colours. I think I did 3. I know these ones and the others, and one of the other two went really well. Another one went quite weird. You'll still see the video of it. It'll be in a few weeks, hopefully sometime before the end of this year, because I have now got all of my videos recorded, I think, to see me through to the end of 2022. Doing a weekly release. Sometimes I've got some shorter videos that are going to come out midweek, but other than that, I think I'm pretty much set. So this point, just putting a bit more white on the canvas. I've learned from spreading out the black that the top and bottom of the oval, the paint will struggle to get to. So what I do when I'm spreading out the paint is I will, for the base, I will spread it close to the edge, and then once I know I've got a decent coverage, I will tend to then spread it out over the edge of the canvas, but only once I know I've actually got a fairly decent coverage, and then I'll move the paint from where the biggest puddle seems to be on the canvas to the edge. And just making sure I haven't got too much paint on the canvas, so just going around shifting the paint over the edge, the excess paint. There isn't, I know this looks wasteful, but not a lot of paint actually goes over the edge of the canvas in most of the techniques that I use, so it's all good. Now that I've done that, I will start layering up my canvas. So I'm starting out with a white base, a white puddle on the black, and a black puddle on the white, because I've decided that these two were going to be a pair, so I wanted to, as well as having the same colours on each canvas, not that you can actually tell that on the end result, to be fair, I wanted the black and white to kind of be the first colour in the puddle. So I'm going in with my Windsor blue, and then what colour was that? That was another blue. Can't remember what blue that was. Then coming in with bordeaux red, and then I think that's pearl orange by Arteza, and coming in with it's not brilliant blue, I think that's ice blue, and then that's my opera rose, and a bus going along in the background there, and then a brilliant blue is the next one, and then on the other canvas, starting out, I'm not layering them up the exact same order, so that's the opera rose, and then coming in with cyan blue, I think, no, that's phthalo blue, I think, and then the pearl orange colour. Haven't got a lot of it left. I am using some leftover paints at this point, I think, or just trying not to use them too wildly. And brilliant blue there, and coming in with the ice blue and the Windsor blue. It's a gorgeous deep blue colour, I love it. And my hand keeps going to the pink just because it's the brightest colour, I think, and that's the bordeaux red. And as you can see on this, it's actually not a lot of paint that's being used, and you're going to see the gorgeousness that it's going to actually create. So just coming in with the blowout there, the black showing on the edge of the canvas, on the edge of the puddle, and then on the black the white's going to show on the edge slightly, but the black is a bit more, is eating the colours a little bit more. So as you can see, they're both pretty much the same colours that were used, but on the left-hand side you can see the pink that's showing up as a splash of colour. On the right-hand side, the pink's in there, it just doesn't show. You can see my board bonds there. Just going in just to have a look at the piece, and I'm just actually in the background there, not in the background, just I was just touching up the edge because I'd see. And here you see the wet result. Where I said brilliant blue, I clearly meant crystal green by Decoart. As you can see, the pops of green in there. Oh, don't these look absolutely gorgeous? And they're called the butterfly because they kind of remind me of a butterfly, kind of. So yeah, that's the gorgeousness that resulted. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. It means so much to me and the algorithm. All worship the algorithm of YouTube. And join me next time. Bye-bye.